In this exercise, we'll solve an equation that contains fraction notation. The equation is 7/10 equals -2/5 times t. In order to get t by itself, we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -2/5, which would be 5 over -2. So we multiply the left side by 5 over -2, and we multiply the right side of the equation by 5 over -2. Now on the left side we have 5 times 7 multiplying numerators and -2 times 10 multiplying denominators. And on the right side we multiplied by the reciprocal. We'd have -10 over -10, which would just be 1. So we'd have 1 times t. Before multiplying these out, I'll see if I can factor and find a common factor. And I see that 5 is a factor in the numerator and 5 is also a factor of 10. So I'm going to factor the 10. The numerator would be 5 times 7. The denominator is -2 times 2 times 5. And 1 times t is t. I'm going to work up here in the next column. I have 5 over 5 times 7 over -2 times 2, and that equals t. This is 1, so I have 1 times 7 over -2 times 2, or just 7 over -4, and that equals t. To check, I would substitute 7 over -4 and multiply, and I would see that that does equal 7/10. So I can write the solution is 7 over -4, with a negative sign in the denominator like that. That's sometimes written with the negative sign in the numerator, or it can be written with the negative sign in front of the fraction 7/4. Either of these forms is the solution for the equation.